There is no man more dear to me throughout the whole of history than the one who was sent as a guide, leading people from darkness to light. His message was simple and clear, that there is one God whom we must all fear, inviting people towards Allah. His name is Muhammad Mustafa. His name is Muhammad Mustafa. بلغ الأولى بكماله، كشف الدجى بجماله، حسنت جميع خصاله، صلوا عليه وآله. He is the greatest man of all time. He came to teach the whole of mankind that we must worship only one Lord. Besides Him there is no other God. Islam is what He came to teach. To every corner of the world did He preach, that we can all come together and pray to the one who provides us each day, to the one who provides us each day. بلغ الأولى بكماله، كشف الدجى بجماله، حسنت جميع خصاله، صلوا عليه وآله. He was a shelter for the orphans and poor. He is my only ticket for the heaven door. He confirmed all that was said before. Then the whole world, do I love Him more. I swear if I only had a chance to go back in time for one glance at the face of Muhammad Amin, I would wonder whether I've had a dream. I would wonder whether I've had a dream. بلغ الأولى بكماله، كشف الدجى بجماله، حسنت جميع خصاله، صلوا عليه وآله. দিবানিশি বলি রে মন, আর দিও না যন্ত্রণা, দনে যদি হইতাম ধনী, যাইতাম সোনার মদিনা, যাইতাম
Everything Allah commands to be will always become a reality. Everything Allah commands to be will always become a reality. Allah Ta'ala, Allah Ta'ala, Allah Ta'ala. You can try to hold back the waves, but they will always wash upon your feet. Two waters flow with a barrier in between, the salty sea and rivers fresh and sweet. Everything Allah commands to be will always become a reality. Everything Allah commands to be will always become a reality. Allah Ta'ala, Allah Ta'ala, Allah Ta'ala. Every every tree, and settles to the ground so far below. Only breaks away and sails on the breeze when Allah commands it to do so. Everything Allah commands to be will always become a reality. Everything Allah commands to be will always become a reality. Allah Ta'ala, Allah Ta'ala, Allah Ta'ala. You can try to plant a seed so deep and dark within the ground, but you must believe me, no matter how long you wait around, you can never make it grow, you know, unless Allah commands it so. Everything Allah commands to be will always become a reality. Everything Allah commands to be will always become a reality. Everything Allah commands to be will always become a reality. Everything Allah commands to be will always become a reality.